good evening friends, and this is our second video about the Kotlin programming language. So now, since in the previous video you just learned how to create a new Kotlin application on the IntelliJ IDEA platform and how to run the hello world. So we are starting from the very same. So now here you see, if I say that print ln and hello world, there is another way by which you can also print, that is, instead of using print ln you can use just print. So print I like Kotlin. Now this is done. Now I'm running the application, and then you'll see that two strings I have printed, one using the print ln, and print ln starting with a new line, and other is just print I like Kotlin. Now suppose if you have a variable, because you know that the programming language, the core concept is a variable, and variable are those named memory cells where you store some informations and then you play all with those values stored in them, and then you can do various kind of operations to get the desired results. So here I say that if I want to store a value into a variable, then I name it as val for value, and x equals 12. So the x contains a value that is 12, and its value is val, means it is a kind of constant because it just already have a value. So if I want to print that, how to print this value to the terminal, so write the value of x equals, and then the name of the val is x, so just name it as $x, and this way you can print. So now let me run this. And then you see that, yeah, the value of x is 12. Same way, if you want val y equals 12.67, and then you want to print the value of y, just copy and paste, and here at the place of y you write as y. So let me introduce few more variables. So the val, and then you can write char. So you can write sex of user, and then you can store this value m or f depending on the sex gender of the user. So now you print this one, and then there you find the value of is $yes. So now let me run, and then you see we have taken one integer value, one double value or float, and other is a character value. So all these three will be printed, and see the style is all same, that when you are printing then you need to introduce the dollar symbol for that. So this is the simple idea how you can print the values from the variables or the constant. Now the Java, this Kotlin works on the JVM platform, so some of the features are same like the Java. Now here you see that Java, this Kotlin also offers different type of data types like the numbers, characters, boolean, arrays, and strings. Numbers are the numbers like the byte, short, int, long, float, and double. And the characters, as you know, it's all char. So there is also another way of declaring the variable. You can write val is, and the type of is generally is int. Then here write int, and then you can write 39, and then you can print that thing here. So this is another type of the value of age is age. Now let me run, and there, so there it goes, and then you see the value of x, where is 12, and this is all. Thank you very much. And the next video will talk about other important data types and the operations. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel. Have a very nice time.